To add an Expedia trip to Google Calendar, start by going to the Expedia website and logging into your profile or registering if you haven't already. The website features a language changer, support trips, and your profile, which are located at the top right corner of the screen. In the middle of the screen, you'll find options for stays, flights, cars, and a search bar. To add a trip to Google Calendar, go to the top right corner and click on Trips. If you have a trip planned, it will appear here. Next, go to Google Calendar and sign in with your Google account. Click the Create button to make a new event and enter the trip details, such as the event name, start and end times, and any other relevant information. Set reminders for important events like flight departures, hotel check-ins, and activity reservations. Once you've entered all the details, click Save. If you have multiple trips, repeat the process for each one. By following these steps, you'll have all the travel details you need in one place.